Watch as a high-speed pursuit unfolds on Interstate 40, reaching speeds of over 120 miles per hour, ending in a dramatic felony takedown with children in the car.
State message until Micro 206.
TBI. 211.
211.
Still going.
Still going.
211 westbound. We're up to 120.
Okay. TBI.
Coming to a stop.
Coming to a stop.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Put your hands in the air! Put your hands in the air! Both hands in the air! Both hands in the air! With your left hand, open the door! Step out with your hands in the air! Hands in the air! Step out of the vehicle with both hands in the air! Turn around! Turn around! Walk back towards me! Turn around! Stop! Turn around! Walk back! Turn around! Walk backwards towards me with your hands in the air! Right here on the... Here. Just keep them on. They're on. Keep them on. Right here on them. Keep coming. Drop what's in your left hand. Drop it. Walk.
10-4.
The other one's itty bitty.
Witness a dramatic vehicle pursuit unfold on Interstate 430 as law enforcement attempts to apprehend suspects in a stolen vehicle, culminating in a successful tactical intervention near Chateau's Lane.
Going east on Stagecoach.
Good flag. We're going eastbound on Stagecoach. Speed 66. Light traffic. State Fair primary.
7 Little Rock on primary.
The work level.
Attempted a TBI, successful this time. Approaching Otter Creek.
I'll be on the TVI approaching Otter Creek.
Passing Waffle House. And we're passing Otter Creek Parkway. TBI right here at Chateau's. Chateau's and Otter Creek.
Get out on foot. TVI on Otter Creek.
Join us on a heart-pounding ride along United States Highway 425 as police officer springs into action. Responding to a speeding violation, watch as the pursuit unfolds with the suspect reaching speeds of over 100 miles per hour, weaving dangerously through traffic. Then we have intense moment as the suspect finally surrenders. leading to a dramatic felony takedown and the arrest of suspect in this pursuit.
They're stopping. Get out! Put your hands on the ground! Get out! Hands on the ground!
I didn't know you was behind me.
Get down!
I didn't know you was behind me.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Get on your face.
I didn't see it.
Get on your face.
I didn't know you was behind me, love. I didn't.
Hands behind your back. Put that cigarette out.
I didn't know.
Yes, you did.
I didn't know, darling.
Turn around and step up. Turn around.
Got bad knees and shoulders.
Step up.
Oh, goodness. Oh, baby, I did not know. Oh.
Yes, you did. Why was you doing 100 back there?
Because I always do fast.
Stop.
Something's wrong. I didn't know shit myself.
Stop.
I've been sick. I've been so sick, baby. My husband's at home. He can tell you.
39 1 15 times 911.
Sorry.
Next list code 11 off Park Road.
I didn't know you was behind me. And I always
Let's go.
Well, wait.
There ain't no waiting to it.
I
Let's
didn't
go.
get my Sprite, love.
No. You got anything in your pockets?
No, sir. You're changing this one and lighter in my inhaler there. What, am I going to jail?
Yes, ma'am.
For what?
Because you're making me chase you at over 100.
I didn't look at me in my eyes.